Welcome to the tutorial Understanding Website Security, Common Site Hacking Technique, and How to Prevent them. This guide aims to provide a theoretical overview of various hacking methods and preventive measures to enhance website security. So let's start. The common website hacking techniques. SQL injection. Explanation. SQL injection involves inserting malicious SQL queries into input field to manipulate the database. And it can lead to data breaches, unauthorized access, and data manipulation. We can prevent these using the following techniques like use prepared statement and pre-meterized queries, employ input validation and sanitation, limit database permissions. Second, cross-site scripting, XCS. Expl- X attack involve injecting malicious script into web page viewed by other users, and it can impact lead to session hijacking, data theft, and spreading malware. We can prevent it by sanitize and encode user input, use content security policy CSP header, and validate and escape output. Cross-site cross-site request for forgery CSRF. CSRF attack trick user into executing unwanted actions on one application where they are authenticated, and this can result in unauthorized actions such as changing account details like making transaction. We can prevent this using implement anti-CRF tokens, use same site cookie attribute, validate request origins. And fourth one is remote code execution RCE. RCE allow attackers to execute arbitrary code and the server due to vulnerabilities in the application. And it can be impact to lead to full system compromise, data loss, and unauthorized access. We can prevent this using regularly update and patch software, use safe encoding practice and input validation, employ web application firewall, WAF, and inclusion exploit. These involve including local and remote files for execution, exploiting vulnerabilities in the file inclusion mechanisms, and it can impact data leak and unauthorized access. We can prevent this by disabling unnecessary inclusion functionalities, validate and sanitize user input. Use absolute path for file inclusions. Now, how to protect your website from common hacking techniques? Common hacking techniques means generally used hacking techniques. So let's dive. First, use a strong password and authentication mechanisms. Implement complex password. Use multi-factor authentications like one, yeah, so the rate like it is. Now, keep software up to date. Regularly update website CMS plugins and server software. Apply security patches proactively. And third one is secure communication channels. Use HTTPS to encrypt data and transmission. Employ secure protocol and configurations. So let's move. Fourth one is conduct regular security audit, perform vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, review and update security policies periodically. And fifth one is implement web application firewalls, WAF. Use web application firewalls to filter and monitor HTTP traffic and configure WAF rules to block common attack patterns. And sixth one is educate and train staff. Provide security training for developers and administrators. Promote awareness of social engineering and phishing attacks. And now, how to respond to a website hack. Immediate action. First one is immediate action. Disconnect the affected system from the network. And change all password and authentications credentials. Investigate the breach, analyze server log and traffic data, identify entry point and attack vectors. Third one is visited and recover. Patch vulnerabilities and remove malicious code, restore the website from being back. And fourth one, communicate and document. Inform stakeholders and users about the breaches. Document the incident and response action for future references. Finally, we have conclusion. So let's understand all thing in conclusion. Understanding common website hijacking technique is essential for implementing effective security measures. By staying informed about potential vulnerabilities and adopting a proactive security approach, you can protect your website from malicious attack and ensure the safety of the data. Remember, security is an ongoing process that intelligence and adaptation to new threats. So thanks for watching. Hope see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.